Add work area. Select the mapping method. Choose to create a work area. Control the robotic mower to the edge of an open lawn and click Start. Walk around the edge of the work area. Drive back to the starting point or click End to complete the mapping. Add no-go zone. Select to create a no-go zone. Control the robotic mower to the edge of the no-go zone and click Start. Walk around the edge of the no-go zone. Drive back to the starting point or click End to complete the mapping. Add path. Select to create a path. Drive to the work area and click Start. Drive to the other work area and click End to complete the mapping.